Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the beta on the Yahoo Finance. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, open the Yahoo app on your home screen. Then here you can find the stocks on the home page just like this. Now to find the beta, simply tap onto the market option right here. Then one thing to remember, the beta is the overview of the stocks and bonds of the market just like this. Now to see the beta of the Yahoo Finance, simply see the overview of the stocks and bonds just like this. And that's it. This is how you can find the beta on the Yahoo Finance app. It is a very easy process, right? Now gain all the knowledge about the beta of the stocks market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.